which is also known as wood alcohol. Methanol. The nucleus of an atom consists of proton and neutron. The number of moles of solid present in 1 kg of solvent is called its molarity. What are the main constituents of LPG? Methane, butane, propane. Which among the following chemical is used in photography? Silver bromide. The metamorphosis process in which a metal obtained in fusel state called smelting. 7. Which was the first human-made plastic? Celluloid. 8. Which gas is used for fire extinguishers? Carbon dioxide. Which was the first human-made plastic? Celluloid. ठीक है. 9. Which of the following chemicals being used is major indicator of the bakery industry in India are said is cause cancer? Potassium bromate and potassium isolate. 10. The law of the which states that among gas of the isolate is liquid is proposed its partial pressure is Henry's law. The gas present is the stratosphere in filter out some of sun iterated light of provide as effective shade against radiation damage is living things is ozone. The most commonly is blessing against chloride. The rusting of iron is example of oxidations. 15. Pure gold is 24 carat. Pure gold 24 carat. ठीक है. 16. What do call is straight produced in a body when you deform is first produced change its shape without changing its volume, sharing strain. Brass is alone of which of the following metals? Copper and zinc. Which method is used properly? Titanium metal. Van Alkyd method. 19. The nuclear particles which are the assumed of the nuclear together mesons. 20. The most hazardous metals for automobiles in next is lead. 21. Which acid is used cleaning gold omens of nitric acid? 22. Which gas is the main contributor to acid rain? Sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxide. 23. The most abundant is the gas is the atmosphere is air, argons. So is gypsum is the gas of the solids which are alkalic. As the temperature of water in the 8 degree and 1 degree, water will first contract and then expand. Iron is protected from rusting and causing with zinc. The process is called galvanization. The hour of the abundance in India's monazita is the important source of theorems, cerium and other rare elements. 28. Which metal as the or named of melatonin, copper, velocity is important of cover of 29. Calcium sulfide dihydrate in commonly known as gypsum. 30. The main of use of said that is to produce in small amount the hydrochloride acid required for the digestion of food. Horizontal round of the period table is called periods. In period table vertical common of the groups. What are the revenue alkali metal and alkali metal of the called noble gases? Which gas is related is biogases planet is used the fuel gas is methanol. Which hydrogen absorbed neutral robust isopropane? Which of the gas physics scholar physician Joseph Blaise which is the digested in 1750 as carbon dioxide? Which gas released from biogas plant is used? 38. Which is the most abundant metal is a human body? Calcium. 39. Which is the metal of commonly is used in increasing strength of this allowed? Molybdenum. 40 is the mass of number nucleus sum of the number of protons and nucleic acid nucleic. 41. What is the estimated number of atoms? Number of protons. 42. Ions of particle that form of the atoms loss is gain electrons. 43. The particles which can be deformed uniformly is the artificial. 44. Which of the salt is the representative hardness of water? Calcium and magnesium. ठीक है. 45. What is the first state of matter? Plasma. Which of the following processes remove calcium and magnesium? Hard water softening. 47. The gas of the was named vegetable oil is hydrogen. 48. The first metal is used man was copper. The atom of molecules are joined together by covalent bond. Reacting metals are expanding or electrolysis. Which of the chemical is the acid? Sodium hydroxide carbonate. ठीक है. Which metal kept immersed is kerosene protein of and prevent accidental fire? Sodium. 43. What is the half-life? It's the time of the needed to half and release radioactive atoms through decay. 54. 54. Which main non-metal used to make atmospheric iodine? विच ऑफ द रीजन इज कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट और मैग्नीशियम बाइकार्बोनेट, ठीक है। हु गैव लॉ ऑफ द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ माफ, लेवोनियस, ठीक है। हु इन्वेस्टेड बैकोलिक्स ऑफ द कॉमर्शियली सक्सेसफुल प्लास्टिक ऑफ वर्ड्स एविडेंस, ठीक है। पुरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ आयरन, wrought iron, 60. Quartz is made of sodium silicate, 58.